In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Webull to MetaTrader 5. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your MT5 on your computer over here or on your mobile device, and then you want to go over here at the top left where it says File, click on that, and then click on Open an Account. Now in here where it says Add New Company, you want to look for Webull, like this, and then click on Find Your Company, and this is the only thing it's going to find. So it's going to say Webull Securities Limited, and then what you're going to have to do is click on Next over here. Now there is one thing you have to know though. Let me just open this up as a website over here in my browser, and then you want to of course click on Next. I'm going to show you what this is about. Now this means that this is only possible if you're using the Hong Kong version of Webull, because this will direct you over here to their HK version, so webull.hongkong, as you can see. And if I translate this to English, as you can see, this basically is the Webull website, but I do think this is the Hong Kong website. So in case you are, I guess, from Hong Kong, and you are registered in that account, so from Webull, but you have the Hong Kong version, I think this is the only way for you to actually be able to start trading on MT5, okay? So I wasn't able to actually find this anywhere inside here, but I do believe that inside your account, you should be able to somehow access the MT5, because if we come over here, as you can see, once you click on Next, you'll have an option to connect to an existing trade account. You'll have to put in your login and your password, which is not the same as you use to log into Webull. You'll actually have to have a separate one inside the Webull account. So that's pretty much it. That's the only way I can see over here. So if you're using the Webull Hong Kong, this could be possible, but otherwise, unfortunately, it is not. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.